So when I was about 13 or 14 years old, I do meditation in my house, in my village. There's something like a movement in my body. I do not know. I did not know what is this. And there is a pleasant feeling in my mind. I went to my Acharya Kedarji. He said, don't worry, do sadhana. One time, when I was college students, I went to Prayagraj. In that time, the name of Prayagraj was Allahabad. There was a DMC. Baba said in DMC stage, you were all with me in the Mahabharata period. So I very pleased hear this speech, and I thought that I was with Lord Krishna. This is very great thing in my life. After 12 years, in 80, a Akhand Kirtan conducted at Darbhanga district. The name of village is Ganjrogholi. There was a very devotee Margi, Dhruvendraji. He conducted Akhand Kirtan, 24-hour Akhand Kirtan. In evening time, the Kirtan were very speedy, and this time I go in a spiritual stance. I get down on earth. So many persons touch me and they cry, Baba, Baba, Baba. A vibration created by Baba. And that very vibration, a spiritual vibration, continue 15 days in my sadhana. And a very blissful, joyful stage, like a spiritual deepness in my life. The starting 3 days, the cells of my blood cells, muscle cells break down, and in that time I felt very extreme pain in my body, unbearable pain. This will continue in between 3 days. In 3 days, between 3 days, my body became lean and thin. There were no strength to walk, but a change in my life, a change in that environment. A spiritual smell blow in the room, very beautiful spiritual smell. Different type of like blissful spiritual smell. Uncalled for me, I do not. This is not my creation. That's a spontaneous spiritual smell blow in that environment. Everyone feel. So many persons came and enjoy this environment.
Yes.
Margis came from different place and do sadhana and spiritual. He take a spiritual realization in that room, in that place. So many person feel a spiritual bhav samadhi, a deep spiritual level, layer. After 10 days, Baba said me, so many persons are in Anand Marg organization, they came from Mahabharata period. Baba said me the name, the great warrior, 5 brothers Pandav with Lord Krishna. Who is the person in Anand Marg? Baba said me. And some person from Kaurav Paksh, great warrior Karna, great warrior Ashwathama, Guru Dronacharya, Bhishma Pitama, they came on earth in that time. So many persons from Mahabharata period, so many persons are where are WT worker, Avdhut, and so many persons Acharya, so many persons civilian. And I feel the nature of this worker, the nature of this Margi, this Acharya is same, just like the person of Mahabharata. Equal character, equal nature. The Baba said to me, he was Arjun, he was Yudhishthir. He was Sakuni, he was Guru Dronacharya. And the nature of that person is the same nature. So after 10 days, this will explained by Baba, because in that time my mind is so settled. When I touch any person, he feel a deep, he went in deep spiritual layer. When I touch any person, this was a spiritual miracle. Thank you. A person came, Dada, I want to feel the smell of this certain flowers. I feel it all smell in the settler level, in a certain flower, the God, Paramatma, creature, create a system. The certain smell, this flower catch the certain smell from environment. This is his creation, I feel. And they all smell in environment. In that time, Baba grace on me. I catch this smell and throw on your nose. And that very sadhak, that was a spiritual smell. That was a spiritual smell. And just you feel that smell, they became blissful. This will conducted. So I feel directly a spiritual truth, a spiritual drama, a spiritual creation in the life of sadhakas. Directly. Baba notice to any person, so many person, what is the position of रणधीर. इन हिंदी बाबा से रणधीर का क्या समाचार है जी. हाँ, व्हाट इज द पोजिशन ऑफ रणधीर. तो मार्गी सेड कि बाबा ही इज इन एबनॉर्मल स्टेज. In that time I never catch solid food, only on liquid food. In deep spiritual layer, sadhak never like to solid food. In that time I feel this is my nature of my body and mind. One thing I feel, what is the greatness of 16 points. Baba understood me what is the role of 16 point in the sadhak life. If body is pure, then you catch a spiritual vibration. So 3 days Baba create pure my body to break the cells of muscles and blood cells. So if sadhak take tamasic bhojan, maximum rajasic bhojan, the body will be tamasic and rajasic. The spiritual realization, the demand of a spiritual realization, body and mind should be sentient, sattvic. In that time I feel. In that time, if any person give me water without Guru Mantra, I never took that water because I feel there is no spiritual vibration. Guru, second lesson done silently, mentally. Without second lesson, any person gave me water, I feel there is no second lesson. That tongue not accept that water, naturally. That the role of second lesson is great in sadhana. Your body is pure. If you want to be a great sadhak, your bed is your bed. None can use a non-margi or sadhak, because they are worldly thinking, worldly mind. The vibration of your bed is disturbed. In that time I feel your foot touched by 16-point follower who took second lesson. And that is very great thing in my life. So Baba said, a sadvipra. In that demonstration, Baba, I felt me. One sadvipra will be down. But the collective body of Sadvipri will never fall down. There should be Sadvipri, really Sadvipri. Sadvipri is not ordinary thing. So in that time, Baba, in that period, I feel one Sadvipri, maybe not. But a collective body of Sadvipras never dawn. A strong collective force. There should be Sadvipra, and the Sadvipra quality Baba realized that Sadvipra, this 16 point creates Sadvipra. His body, his mind, their body, their mind, their soul. In that time, Baba, in 15 days, Baba realized. 15 days I never took any solid food, purely liquid, fruit juice. So my body became weak. My body became weak. In weak body, I did not work. So Baba felt me, you should take sentient diet, because for social service there should be physical energy in body. I went to visit darshan of Baba, to saw Baba at Calcutta. In that time, any person who done kirtan, I felt Bhava Samadhi. When Baba came on stage, I had done kirtan, just felt. So a one sadhak will be my caretaker. Just in back, they support me. So Baba said, my body was very weak. I unable to move in field. In that time I was Samaj Secretary of Pragatisheel Mithila Samaj Secretary. I do not able to done work. Organization want duty report, work done report. I am not able. I want every moment in a spiritual layer, and I enjoy for a spiritual bliss. Organization demand work done. There were class. Baba said workers meeting. A worker said to Baba, Baba, he is in a spiritual flow, deep spiritual flow. I am very, in that time I was in torture. What torture? I did not fulfill my duty or national duty. Baba want for national duties, for national report. And then Baba, please. I have a clash in my mind. The Baba said a worker, there is a solution. There is a solution. Baba said, he think about organizational work. He think about organizational work. I always, in a spiritual stance, a blissful stance, a spiritual enjoyment, Baba think there is a remedy. That very worker run to me, Randhir ji, Baba said for you, think about organizational work.
I'll bring you down.
I think this is Guru's Adesh order. I think about organizational duties, organizational programs. Then a short time after conducting this system, I became balanced. So this is very glorious and historical incident in my life. When Tarak Brahma Mahasambhuti came on the earth, there will be a team with Tarak Brahma Mahasambhuti. There will be a team, his team. And there was a team with Shiva, there was a team with Lord Krishna, there were a team with Bhagwan Anandamurti ji. Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, they are all came with Baba. All great men, just like I say to you. 5 brothers Pandav, Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, all were came on this earth with Baba. From Kaurav side, a great warrior Karna, they came in Anand Marg. He is Abdhuta, a great warrior, great man. Dharmaraj Yudhishthir, the eldest brother of Pandava, they came in Anand Marg. They became Abdhuta and a great man. और Bhishma Pitama, great warrior, great man. They came in the period of Baba, but not in Anand Marg. Out of Anand Marg, they work for Baba. Great man. Hitler came, that very Sikandar came in Anand Marg, he became Abdhu. Napoleon came in Anand Marg, he became Abdhu. So many great men came in Anand Marg. They work done in mission, in global level, they done work. So Baba's mission is mysterious. None can understand the whole thing. You understand something. Baba, Sakshat Baba, Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva became Lord Krishna became Bhagwan Anandamurti ji. The beginning time, the people no knew for Krishna, they are simple man. They are simple man. After war, Kurukshetra war, mass feel. Baba said after 500 Lord Shiva's departure, the mass feeling start feeling. After 1,000 years, mass feel the greatness of Lord Krishna. This is history. Anandamurti ji, same thing. When physically Baba mass has no attention,
Understanding.
no understanding. And now, so many questions from Proud are in government competition, Proud questions, in government departmental questions, now this time. And in that time, they are against of Proud and Anand Marg and Anand Murti. Change. In that time, in that period, when I have deep spiritual stance, in that time Baba said me, spiritually, in that time Baba in physical body. After that time, from Darbhanga, I saw Baba at Calcutta. I go to Baba's car. Baba, just Baba, just near Baba, just near Baba. Baba
Takes your hand.
catch my hand some second, and that time I felt a spiritual stance and became down on earth, just run in room and flat. So Baba direct grace on me, and this grace will for every person, not only for me. Baba's grace, my body, mind prepared catch that very spiritual vibration. In that 80, after that period, I go to a DMC, Kishanganj DMC.
Yeah.
Bihar, Bengal border, that very district, the border of Bengal. in night, sang a song. In that time, no Prabhat Sangeet. Prabhat Sangeet came 82. That was 80 TMC. Baba said on dash, "Ye Dada sang a song. Amar charan tole," I explain you. Amar charan, amar ichha kore. My will is to blow lotus flower on your feet. Amar ichha kore, charan tole kamal hoi phuti. I want to a lotus flower and your feet. And after that DMC, whole pandal full of spiritual effulgence and so many lovely, sweet flowers smell, full of pandal, full a spiritual smell, different type of flowers, sweetest smell. My mind is so mad, so bliss, so enjoy, so anand, blissful stage. I became mad and dance. I became mad and dance. So Baba's grace. I feel that so many person at his food. I said, oh man, oh sadhak, enjoy this spiritual bliss. You take a solid food or you take a spiritual food. I danced, I became mad. So spiritual enjoyment. Oh. And in that time, I touched so many persons. They fled in Bhasmadhi. So Baba. And this is not my credit. The credit of Baba. Baba saw the people that there is a spiritual enjoyment. If you ready. So Baba's unlimited grace. This is the kripa of Baba. This is grace of Baba. There is no my quick any credit. His credit, His grace. Baba said me about my life also.
You could see other people's lives.
I was in the period of Shiva, in the period of Lord Krishna. I was a member of Krishna's family relations. I was. But this is the first time I take all lessons. This is first time. Take first lesson to sixth lesson. And 77,000 years I running my life to take all lessons. So this is not ordinary thing. If you take 6 lesson, total lesson, this is the great thing in their sadhak lives.
So, but I'm trying to understand, you could see your past life, but I understand you said that you could also see other people's past life.
Yes, in that time. In that time, Baba said me, I do not know. Baba said me.
During the time of Shiva.
He was that person, he was that person. Baba said me in my mind. And I come, mostly the person from Mahabharata period, mostly. And Baba said, he is that person is, he is that person.
From Mahabharata.
Yes. And I read Mahabharata Pustak so many times. I just Baba's stage. There was so many persons. I go, Are Guru Dronacharya. He Guru Dronacharya. He's Kripacharya. He's that person. I just in that time I just like I think. Arjun.
Do you want to say any names?
One name. Only one name. I disclose only one name.
Yes.
Baba said me in a spiritually, never disclose the name of any person who was in Mahabharata period. Don't disclose. If he is alive, if you are alive, don't disclose. if he died, then you can say. When our nationality class start from Tiljala, first start class, but organization together, united, but there is something class. Some person, so many person knew Randhir ji know this thing who is in the period of Mahabharata period. That they say about Pradha Pramukh Dada, Sardhanand Dada. What was he in Mahabharata period? He was alive. I say, I never say to you because he is alive. Like after some days, when the class is very serious, then Baba said me, spiritually, secularly, you disclose the name of Pradha Pramukh Sardhanand ji, who was in Mahabharata period. So Baba said me in Darbhanga, after so many years, this class start from organization. At Darbhanga, the period of that stage is 80. So when Baba said me to disclose his Mahabharata role, so I disclosed some person. He was great Dharmaraj Yudhishthir, the first emperor of this world on this dharti, Iran to Vietnam. That was Mahabharata, great India. He was the first emperor. After that, after 1000
Yes.
Mahabharata, from Mahabharata, after 1000, he was Samrat, Emperor Asoka, the great Asoka. In this time, he is Acharya Sardhanand Avadut, Pradha Pramukh of Anand Marg. And the three times, he was global person, global authority. His mental standard is global. He can rule globally. I so understand. And the period of Asoka, why he murdered the 99 brothers? Because in the Mahabharata period, Arjun and Bhim killed the all Maharathi. Yudhishthir felt, I am big brother, I am eldest brother. They are so tortured for in the war period. We should kill this.
Revenge.
Kill this evil force. I never done this work. So the seed of sanskara in his mind. So after 1000 years, they kill 90 brothers, and that very 90 brothers in his family. They kill these brothers, and the sanskaras will fulfill. And he was a sanskara. A great war should be done with me. My brothers was done this thing. I never stand for a big war. So that sanskaras established in Kaling war, there is a big war. And after this big war, they became saint in natural mind. So Baba said me the unique thing. I said Sardhanand Dada, all things. And Sardhanand Dada said me, Randhir ji, please, this will retain. After some time you forget. In that time Shraddhananda said me, Baba said me, after 134 years ago, you were in another planets and great sadhak, Shraddhananda. Shraddhananda Das. Shraddhananda said me, Randhir ji, I was 1 year in Bhav Samadhi. Every time Bhav Samadhi. 1 year.
Wow.
So he was great sadhak, he was great man. Then in Anand Marg, Baba said, so many great persons came in this Anand Marg. Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev, came in Anand Marg. Abdhut, became Abdhut. Guru Arjun Dev, Sikh Guru, came in Anand Marg, became sannyasi.
A Sikh Guru.
Guru Tegh Bahadur. And the role of any Mahapurush, if he dedicate his life for dharma, in this time, in Anand Marg, they sacrifice his life. Divyanand ji, Dineshwaran ji, before life, the same character, they sacrifice his life for dharma. The same nature. The Baba, everything said me, and my mind is so positive, Dada. Everything will be done.
Wow.
Everything will be done, and a spiritual, not for my pleasant, not for your pleasant, Baba's mission will establish, this will return. None can shake this Sankalp.
Stop it.
This will establish on this planet. We will see or know. Maybe we will see or know. Don't worry for Baba. His Sankalp, his will establish on this planet Sadvip Samaj, a spiritual society. This is the due of for this purpose. Tarak Brahm done work from 7,000 years for this purpose. 7,000 years. People just, when Dada Praut will establish review. This is the process of 7,000.
Preparing for 7,000 years.
7,000. You just feel that this is just my life, in my life, within 10 years, within 15 years. Don't worry. This is his Sankar. When this will establish, he know. Not your will satisfaction. This is his will. And this will establish for thousands years for on this planet. Till जब तक यह धरती रहेगी, धर्म की स्थापना आनंद मूर्ति जी करेंगे इस धरती. The establishment of dharma, Bhagavad dharma on this planet must, and he do from 7,000 years. A great task. You think about 4 or 5 years and 10 years or 15 years? Nothing.
Wow, thank you, Dadaji.
Baba said, my father, Acharya Dipnarayan ji said, Baba, when Praut will establish, come. Baba said, a fine morning, you will see Praut has come. My father left. My father, in that physical body, he never see the establishment of Praut. Baba's word must be established. What? Not for this physical body, this mind. In another physical body he will see, must see.
Baba thinks on a different level.
The language of Baba, a simple man not understand. You will see, what you will see? Not in physical body, another physical body.
And when he says he's established, he's not talking necessarily physically, but psychically he's established.
Yes, yes.
And then in time, physically. It's
Ji,
become established.
anytime physically established. Anytime physically established. This is not ordinary thing. A simple आदमी, a intellectual can't understand the missionary system of Anand Marg. Only a few understanding take that very person who is devotee, who is intuitionist. The Baba's grace in that person who in the surrender on the lotus feet of Anandamurti, he can understand something. Baba's grace. Namaskar. Dhanwad.
Thank you very much.